Alright, so you guys have a Honda Civic and you want to change out to LEDs. This is a how-to for your headlights, not your high beams, your daytime runnings, just your low beams. So right here, this video is sponsored by Auxbeam. We have their brand new series. It's the 9006. We're going to be installing these on a 2015 Honda Civic SE Special Edition. This will be the same for any other model Honda Civic, so I'll show you guys how to do so. The obvious first thing to do is to open up your hood. The next thing is on the right side for the right headlight, there's going to be this black little plastic cover. Remove these two little pins, put them somewhere safe. Next up, there will be a little clip here that you just push down and lift, which removes this. This will give you easier access to reach the headlight bulb. It's actually a very tight squeeze, so just reach in, twist counterclockwise, and here is your OEM headlight bulb. Push in the white tab, pull it out like so, put it off to a safe place, and you're ready to now install your new LED light. So just like uninstalling, reinstall same way. Go ahead, clip this back in. Before you install, make sure the positive and negatives are the right way. If you do it backwards, it will not turn on. I would always test before plugging it back in. So we'll test right now. As you see, it works, so go ahead and put the headlight back in. Make sure this gets tucked away nicely, and then go ahead and twist to lock it in. Now, what you will notice is up here, you guys can see, you can take a Phillips head screwdriver and turn to adjust the level of the headlight up or down. You will need to adjust because they're LEDs, so they are different than the OEM headlights that come with this car. For the right side, it's a little trickier. You're gonna have to remove windshield washer fluid hose, and this is a much tighter squeeze. So once again, counterclockwise to release. Not only is this side harder, but the wire is also shorter. Process is the exact same as before. Remove the rubber cap protecting the LED lens, like so. Make sure to test that your connection is all right. The connection is good, so go ahead and plug everything back in. Tuck away any loose wires and reinsert. There you go, Auxbeam headlights installed. I also have the Auxbeam high beams, which are also a daytime running light. All product links will be down below in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed. As you can see, I adjusted the left side down. The right side still needs to go down a touch. Side note, people will flash you if your lights are too high because they think they are your high beams. Overall, aux beams look great.